Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have two treadmills going head-to-head in the battle of the fitness machines.
On the left, we have the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, and on the right, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 Treadmill. Get ready for some serious comparisons and a whole lot of entertainment.
Let's dive in. Let's talk about the most important factor for many of us, the price. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill comes in at a budget-friendly $369, while the NordicTrack T-Series 5 Treadmill is priced at $599. That's quite a difference. If you're looking to save some cash, the UMAY Fitness Treadmill might be the winner here.
Now let's talk about power. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill boasts an improved brushless motor with a maximum 3.0 HP. That means efficient, reliable, and low-maintenance operation.
On the other hand, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 Treadmill comes with a 2.6 CHP motor.
It's like comparing a cheetah to a gazelle. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill takes the trophy for power. When it comes to features, both treadmills have some impressive offerings. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill comes with pulse sensors in the handrail, allowing you to monitor your heart rate in real time.
That's some high-tech stuff right there.
But the NordicTrack T-Series 5 Treadmill takes it up a notch with its IFIT compatibility, giving you access to worldwide outdoor workouts and resistance adjustments.
It's like having a personal trainer in your living room.
Now let's talk about design.
The UMAY Fitness Treadmill wins in the space-saving department with its folding feature.
It's perfect for those of us with limited space. On the other hand, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 Treadmill comes with a built-in tablet and smartphone holder, so you can catch up on your favorite shows while getting your sweat on.
It's a tough choice between convenience and compactness.
Last but not least, the warranty. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill offers a 5-year warranty for the frame and a 1-year warranty for parts.
That's some serious peace of mind.
Meanwhile, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 Treadmill comes with a 10-year frame warranty and a 1-year warranty for parts and labor. Both treadmills have got your back, but NordicTrack takes the lead in the warranty game. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the NordicTrack T-Series 5 Treadmill battled it out, and each had its strengths. If you're on a budget and looking for power, the UMAY Fitness Treadmill might be your best bet.
But if you want the bells and whistles, including IFIT compatibility, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 Treadmill has got you covered. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why.
The product links are in the description.